Good afternoon, dear students. Very good afternoon to each and everyone. So good afternoon, each and everyone. And so yesterday announcing poem you solved, and today only one pieces based on your editing error will solve. Okay, as you all know the process, how to do it. Like as we said, correct and incorrect column. So somebody should text me, whether the sound is audible to you or is there an echo coming. Okay, you just text me. Everything is fine, Elias? As you can see the passage, this passage I have given you little bit advanced one, from 9th class. Okay, basically class 8 and 9 students are completing, or solving this sort of passage, and we'll see on trial basis whether you are also able to do it or not. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. So you see the first line, pollution are one of the most serious problems. The example it is shown to you, are it should become is, and it can happen that how a child can understand that why there should be mistake in verb, are why it should be is, because pollution, when you read this noun, it denotes singular number. So when your noun it is in singular form, then we have to select singular verb. This is the first pattern of subject verb agreement. Clear? Singular noun, singular verb, plural noun, plural verb. Your verb will agree according to the number and portion of the subject. So pollution, this is in singular form. So are is the mistake, is should be the correct verb form. Okay. So come to the first one. Sargun, already you have answered, pollution is one of the most serious problems facing humanity today. This problem being fairly, number A column you see where is the mistake. Pratishthita you have written is, okay. Santosh you have written being into is, okay. Allies also is, okay. Okay, so it should be is, clear. So being is the mistake. The correct form of being, it should be is, am is our present tense form. Be verb, where did the particular verb, being came, come, we have be verb, the present tense is, am is are, past tense was and were, past participle being and being. Clear? But the root verb it is be verb. Clear? So is should be the correct form, because we are talking, or when you read out the passage, you will get to know the reference of present tense form, or we are not narrating any story about past tense or any past, so that you can go with the past tense form. So of course present tense of being should be is. Clear? So this problem is fairly complicated for much of pollution is caused by objects and activities. From here to here you see, where is the mistake? Column number B, you check it out. Where is the mistake in column number B? Column number B, you check it out. Okay, very good. This problem is fairly complicated, for much of pollution is caused by object. Okay, causing, this is the mistake one, so I'll have to just underline it. Okay, so causing one, it should be, and the actual word, it should be caused. Clear? Because your sentence is in passive voice, so we have to use the passive formula. Okay, so causing should be the mistake, so you change it into its V3 form, cause, caused, caused. Okay, so this problem is fairly complicated, for much of pollution is caused by objects and activities that benefits mankind to thoughts of days of that benefits mankind. So where is the mistake in column number C? Column number C. Column number C, you check it out. This problem is fairly complicated, for much of pollution is caused by objects and activities that benefits mankind. Yes, anyone? Okay, somebody has written that into which? Mabya Phule, you have written that into which? Elias, that into which? No. Now you are not understanding the sentence, what we are trying to speak, or what the line suggests. What the particular line suggests, that you are not able to understand. You see here, much of pollution is caused. This was in passive form, so we have to change it into V3. Okay, caused by objects and activities. More than one object plus activities that benefit. This is your mistake. It should be benefit, not benefits. One activity simply it can benefit, or in present tense you can write benefits, like Ram plays, but Ram and Shyam play. Are you able to understand? Ram and Shyam play cricket. If I simply talk about Ram, then Ram plays cricket in present simple form. So similarly we are talking objects and activities. Objects plus activities that benefit mankind, not benefits. So your noun, it is in plural form, so you have to select the plural verb, subject by agreement. Clear? So objects and activities that benefit mankind, 2/3 of Delhi's appealing atmospheric pollution are caused. So I hope that Ishan, now it's audible to you. You can check your voice. Now you check it out. Now you check. Now you check the audio. Very good, guys. It should be R should be is. Now R should become is. R it should become is. Why it should be is? Because we are talking about pollution and it denotes singular number. Pollution singular is singular form, so it should become is. That benefit mankind 2/3 of Delhi's appalling atmospheric pollution is caused through vehicles to end and even greatly reducing pollution to end. You see 2 plus infinity to end and even greatly reducing pollution. Yes, where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? To end and even greatly reducing pollution. Where is the mistake? Bhavya, no, wrong. To end, you see 2 plus infinitive. To end. You see here, to end. This is known as 2 plus infinitive. Clear? So, to end is the verb here, 2 plus infinitive, 2 plus first form of the verb, to end and even greatly reducing. It should be reduced. Clear? So we have to select the 2 plus infinitive form. Reduce. To end. So to reduce also. Clear? Next one. Next one, to end and even greatly reduce pollution would called for a total reassessment of what we are considering. Number E, to end and even greatly reducing or to end and even greatly reduce pollution would call yes, column number E. Column number E you check. Bhavya, where is the mistake in column number F? To end and even greatly reduce pollution would. Yes, Alice, correct. Should, would, could, might. They will take the V1 form, not the V2 or V3 form. So this is the mistake. So we have to understand it, and it should become call. Would call. Yes, Ardul. Santosh, correct. So pollution would call for a total reassessment of what we are considering to be the necessities of life. Yes, where is the mistake? Here, Harsh Musale, you listen here properly. Whenever you you find should, would, could, might, shall, should, can, could, may, might. If you find the use of modals, after them you check there should be the V1 form. Clear? Like I shall go. If you find I shall went, this is wrong. I shall go. I would do. If you find I would did or done, then this is wrong. Shall, should, can, could, may, might, all the modals. After them you select the first form of the verb, that is V1 form. Clear? That is why we have replaced called and we have written the V1 form, that is called. Clear? Number F. F1, who can tell me? Yes, allies you have written what are considered. Yes, very good. It should be considered. Yes. It should be considered. 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 So for a total reassessment of what are considered to be the necessities of life, the last one is we prepared to do it. The last one you see, H1 is we prepared to do it. Santosh, you have written is into R, okay. Alice, you have written is into R. Very good. So it should be are we prepared to do it? Are should be the correct form, because see, you can see the subject of pronoun in first person plural, so we have to select the plural verb, so is, this is in singular form, so let me select the plural verb. Clear? So this is the mistake. So normally when you are reading this kind of passage, or in your examination if it comes, then normally where you can see the mistakes, like in almost all cases you have seen the mistake from especially verb, subject verb, agreement lesson, The passage which was shown to you here, mostly errors you have found in subject verb, agreement lesson. Clear? So you see here again verb, then again the usage of subject verb agreement, then verb, then again 2 plus infinitive, then again the use of after modals, shall, should, can, could. If you find, then you have to select the V1 form. Then again in 2 instances you got to know the usage of active and passive voice, also how to write the sentence in passive voice. Then again the last one also it is in passive form, are we prepared? Okay, are we prepared? This is in passive form, interrogative sentence. So we have to understand what kind of mistakes basically you have. So this passage, it was all about pollution, and it is a very challenging job, task, that today it has become one of the most serious problems in India, and the whole humanity is facing today. So you came to know it very well. So any passage, when it is shown to you in examination, then you just read out it very carefully, go through the passage from top to bottom, and you try to identify the mistakes. Normally I am telling you mistakes can be there in subject verb agreement, or in some instances you can get to know your mistake from preposition also, and conjunction and article. If you are good at all these 3-4 aspects, then editing error part you will be able to do it. Clear? So today let me wind it up here, and tomorrow again day after tomorrow, I'll teach you some writing part. Okay, some writing will start, and I will show you, okay, whatever it is there in your syllabus. Okay, that portion, I'll discuss, I'll share with you. And tomorrow ma'am will give you the topic also. I'll just send it to ma'am, regarding your National Youth Day that we are celebrating on 12th January. That topic for education I will be sharing with you also tomorrow. I am giving it to ma'am. Ma'am will share with you. Okay, and you have to prepare the video. Every the rules and regulation, everything will be noted over there. Okay, so as per the criteria, you have to proceed and you have to submit it. The deadline also will be given to you. So thank you very much, dear students, for coming online. Thank you very much.